important international economic organization and important Indian economic bodies, acts. Question 1. Which of the following statements about BRICS Bank, New Development Bank, are correct? 1. NDB received observer status in the United Nations General Assembly. 2. It is headquartered at Shanghai, China. 3. China is the largest shareholder in NDB, making it the country with highest voting power. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. About Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Membership in the AIIB is open to all members of the World Bank. 2. India has the highest voting power in AIIB. 3. India is the largest beneficiary of AIIB financing for infrastructure projects. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Which of the following statements about the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, are correct? 1. It serves central banks in their pursuit of monetary and financial stability. 2. Basel Committee for Banking Supervision, BCBS, which is responsible for the Basel Accords, is housed in BIS's office. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Identify the correct statement about United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, among the following ones. 1. It aims to promote the development-friendly integration of developing countries into the world economy. 2. UNCTAD objective is to maximize the trade, investment and development opportunities of developed countries. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 5. About Special Safeguard Mechanism of the WTO, which of the following statement are correct? 1. It is a permission to increase tariffs for developing countries when imports surge or price declines for agricultural products. 2. Special Safeguard Mechanism of the WTO is a special protection mechanism for developing countries that allows developing countries to reduce tariffs on agricultural imports that are injurious to domestic farmers. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 both. D. None of the above. Question 6. Which of the following statements are correct about Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development? 1. Most OECD members are high-income economies with a very high Human Development Index, HDI, and are regarded as developed countries. 2. India is a member of OECD. 3. International Migration Outlook is one of the publications of OECD. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding Agreement on Agriculture, AWE 1. AWE signed by World Trade Organization members do not take into account non-trade concerns like food security and the environment. 2. Developing economies cannot impose an additional duty even in case of import surge or fall of import price below a specified reference price. 3. Peace clause provides protection to domestic support measures and export subsidies of a World Trade Organization member from challenging other WTO members. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Taxation and public finance in India. Question 8. With reference to the public finance, consider the following statements. 1. All revenues received by the government by way of taxes, whether direct or indirect except the loans raised through T-bills, treasury bills, are credited to the Consolidated Fund of India. 2. Receipts from treasury bills are included in the public account of India as treasury bills are short-term instruments. Which of the given statements is incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Which of the following is not a feature of the outcome budget? A. Outcome budgeting makes government programs more outlay-oriented, in which outcomes of programs are measured in terms of rupees. B. It indicates the actual physical performance in the previous year, current year and targeted performance during the projected, next, year. C. It is a progress card on what various ministries and departments have done with the outlays in the previous annual budget. D. Outcome budgeting was first introduced in 2005-06. Since then, every ministry handling a sector presents a preliminary outcome budget to the Ministry of Finance. Question 10. Under which of the following circumstances may the securities transaction tax arise? 1. Profits are made on a certain security. 2. Company pays dividend to the owners. 3. A security is purchased or sold. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. Which one of the following statements regarding the levying, collecting and distribution of land revenue is correct? A. The Union levies, collects and distributes the proceeds of land revenue between itself and the states. B. The Union levies, and states collect it on behalf of the Union, and all the proceeds of land revenue are distributed among the states. C. The Union levies and collects the land revenue tax, but all the proceeds are distributed among the states. D. The states levy, collect and retain the proceeds of land revenue tax with themselves.